Hello again, YouTube. If you are here to see how to set up the watch face for the first time, I would recommend you see my first video, which I will link in the description below. So this is just a follow-up video of what I did from my first video, and basically after my first video I have a lot of questions on why the launcher is not working, why the watch face is not functioning as described. Alright, so this video here is to answer some of the questions. Some of you guys out there were commenting and asking me how to fix it, so there might be a portion where it is not very clear in my previous video. So if you're here for the first time, go back to the first part of the video. So this is the second part. Okay, now I had that out of the way. Basically, some of you were commenting that you were not able to change the watch face when you double tap and go into this section where you select the watch faces. Basically, you get the launcher will freeze and hang up. Alright, so reason why is you need to set a folder inside the inside your watch by the name of clock skin. So now I'm going to show you. If I were to go into my files, you can see a folder by the name of clock skins. Now you need to set this folder. You need to have this folder for the launcher to work. So inside this clock skin is where you put all your watch faces. Okay, you can see all the watch face is in here. These are all static watch faces. If you see the folder and the name, these are static watch faces which has all the files inside. Now this launcher also supports the Android Ware watch faces, which I'm trying to show you right now. If I scroll down, you will see a different file format, which is this. So you can see the file name and it ends with .watch. So these are interactive watch faces, which is Android Ware watch faces, which this launcher supports as well. And you need to put these files inside the clock skin folder. Okay, so inside this clock skin folder. So if you have that, and if you have the launcher installed, you will be able to use this launcher to run your clock skins. Okay, so I hope that clarifies. If you guys have launchers that are failing, freezing up, not working, please check this tab. Okay, now you don't have to include your clock skin Coco application in that clock skin folder. You can just install it. It doesn't matter where you put that clock skin Coco launcher, as long as you have the clock skin folder with the clock face inside that folder, you should be able to make it work. Alright, now another frequent questions I get is, where do I get all these clock skins, and will I put a link to these clock skins? Most likely not. I didn't get it all from a single place. I get it from multiple websites. If you will just Google, you should be able to find sites where they have plenty of these clock faces up for downloads. I don't own these faces, so it wouldn't be nice for me to give a link just to download all these faces, right? So there are plenty of developers out there who put in a lot of work, a lot of effort making these beautiful faces. So I recommend you check their sites out, and they usually will include the links for download in their Google Plus page. Okay, now I hope this answers your questions, and if you still have any doubts or any issues, just hit me up on the comments and I'll try to respond. Alright, so that is just my update. Thank you very much for watching.